Back with another banger, you guys. Today installing a carbon fiber lip on the M4. And just like that, you guys, carbon lip is on. I am absolutely in love. Shout out to the FedEx driver and shout out to Peluchin. Brand new lip just came in. We are back, you guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know I am. Parts came in. If you guys saw the title of the video, carbon fiber lip for the M4. Super excited to get this install going. My old carbon fiber lip is completely busted. All we gotta do, we're gonna pull up the M4 to the front and we're gonna start this install. So a lot of people ask, what's the downside to parking in the city? Well, this, sandwiched in between two cars. But it's okay, we got enough space in the front. I'm pretty sure we got space in the back. But today we're gonna be focusing on this lip. You guys see, it's seen better days. It's seen better days. We are gonna be working on the M today. We got a brand new lip, carbon fiber lip, or I'll say carbon fiber. We'll get to the details shortly, but I'm gonna pull it into the garage and then we'll go from there. Now, a quick cold start for you guys. All right, y'all, so being that we're gonna be installing a new lip today, you guys see that this one is straight busted. But we got a new one. Shout out to Peluchin. He actually gifted this one to me. It's literally the same exact one. And I'm gonna be honest, this is probably the best lip there is out there on the market. Why? Because one, it's cheap. Two, it fits perfectly. And three, you don't gotta worry about busting it just because it looks like it's carbon fiber, but it's actually not. So that being said, it is a two-piece. But once on, it looks like a one piece. This one looks like a million pieces because it's all busted. You guys see it. It is pretty damaged now. Like I said, it looks like carbon fiber from afar. It isn't, but I did bust my first carbon fiber lip and that hurt. After that, I said, yeah, no, I'm not about to be spending $5+ just to bust it. So we do have to take off some of the screws. And once we take these off, they are like self-tapping screws. We can take off the old one and then swap in the new one. Like I said, it's two-piece. I put a little bit of silicone here so it sticks a little better. Back with another banger, bro. Let them know we love you guys. We love y'all. We love y'all. Hit the subscribe button. We love you.
Subscribe button.
Y'all ain't it.
I don't know.
I don't know. Tell y'all. M4 is out. Utah trip coming soon, but we gotta get to work because we got a car meet tonight. All right. So like I said, shout out to Peluchin for the lip. Old one right here, new one right here. Like I said, it is a two-piece design, so. That is the driver's side, passenger side right here, and it bolts on in the middle. As I was saying, honestly, I personally think this is the best lip on the market for the F8X platform, simply because it's like a perfect fit. Now, I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, well, carbon fiber ones are perfect fit and all. Yeah, but you're gonna be spending plus $600 on it. Whereas this one, straight off eBay, for a little under $100. So about, I think it was 80 or so. Not 100% sure. Fitment is perfect, spot on. Nothing needs to be modified or adjusted. It's literally just bolts and go. I am gonna add a little bit of 3M tape on it just to be more secure and all. But I'm gonna get some 3M tape. I'm gonna add some, slap it on the M, and go from there. Post it up. Bro, give me like, I think I'm gonna post this on Facebook Marketplace for like 600. Johnson, give me 450 right now and it's yours. Yeah? Let's look. You got five? Because cash out. Come on. Thanks. We're gonna put this on the Accord right now. Lip does come with some hardware. You're gonna basically, this is the underside of the lip, 2 screws, put it together. And we come across. Oh, that boy. But like I said, shout out to the boy. He pulled up, looking fresh. All right, 3M tape is on. Unfortunately, the lip does not come with it, but I had some laying around. If you go install it, I recommend it. Don't put too much though, because if you ever want to take it off, it's gonna be a pain to take it off. Just a little bit goes a long way. All right, last thing before installing it, clean up the underside of the front bumper. You don't want any debris or anything getting stuck to the 3M tape. But once that's all done, we can mock it up, line it up, and basically slap it on.
All right, we're gonna check how strong these lips are for M4. Wait, I like that, bro. Hold on. You gotta step up. I mean, look, it doesn't break. Yeah, dude. Pero dale duro. Look, obviously, if you stomp it out, obviously it's gonna break, Peluchin.
All right, y'all. So lip is installed. I'm telling you guys, this thing looks crazy. It looks clean as hell. And like I said, install was super easy. It's literally just plug and play. You don't have to fight with fitment. 6 bolts that go under, screwed them on. Only thing left now is really just adding my special touch If you guys have been with the channel, or if you guys have seen, I did add some reflective tape on the outskirts or the border of the lip. I have them on the side skirts, you can't really tell, they're there, and then I have them on the diffuser. So we're gonna slap this on, and then we'll give you guys the full, basically the final product. And just like that, it is done. We are gonna hit up a parking lot or something where there's better lighting, so I can give you guys a full depth review. But here we have you guys, final results. Carbon fiber front lip is on. I will be linking the actual product in the description in case you guys wanna, cop one for yourselves, slap it on your F8X. These are compatible with the F82s, F80, F83s, not the M2s though, so keep that in mind. You guys can let me know what you guys think about the actual white reflective tape all around. It does go on the side of the side skirt, you can't really see it. Rear diffuser also has a bit of the reflective tape. First time I actually installed all of my components, I actually added it. I might retouch up the side skirts just because they are a bit down, a bit dirty, you can't really see them. But overall, that was pretty much just a quick walk around, quick, simple, easy install. All we really need to do is just get enough clearance in the front so we can get to the self-tapping screws on the bottom. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. Perfect fitment, like I said. I like this because it actually snugs up the side of the bumper, holds it nice on the side. And the front fangs, I call these fangs, they fit perfectly. That paired with the 3M tape makes for an easy install. Overall, probably my favorite lip, and it's cheap, so inexpensive. If I were to bust this tomorrow, which knock on wood I don't, it wouldn't hurt as much as busting a 400, 500, 600 plus up carbon fiber lip. Still gives it that relatively close to carbon fiber look, even though it's not. Side skirts diffusers are, front lip isn't. From personal experience, I've busted a carbon fiber lip prior, and it was not a good day. So being that, there are plenty of options nowadays, I recommend it. I'd go out, get one. I might even cop another one just to keep in the garage in case everything goes south. That being said though, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic. Until the next one, peace.